Oh boy, here we go. Hello my loves, Tony here from TL Yarn Crafts, and welcome to the first ever Crochet Bites, a snack-sized bit of crochet knowledge in 5 minutes or less. And today we're talking all about the magic ring. So the magic ring in crochet is an adjustable ring that you can use to start a top-down hat, work different shapes for amigurumi, and even make granny squares. An adjustable ring is useful because it disguises the very beginning of your project. You don't have any little holes right in the middle of your granny square or right at the tip of your amigurumi pieces. Now, if you've been clicking around all day looking for the easiest way to make the magic ring, honey, you are finally in the right place. I have a foolproof, super easy way to make a magic ring that even a beginner in crochet can do. So if you're ready, let's learn the magic ring. To start your magic ring, grab the tail of the yarn and lay it over the flat of your palm. Take the length of yarn that's coming from the ball and wrap it around your first finger 2 times. Take this first loop and lay it over the second loop up and off the tip of your finger. Grab your 2 tails and pull so you have a small knot. Rotate the knot, insert your hook, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. Begin with chains to start your pattern and work your stitches into the loop. Weaving in the ends after creating a magic loop is just as important as making the magic loop. Forgetting to weave in your ends properly will cause the center of your motifs or the top of your hat or your amigurumi pieces to potentially unravel. To weave in your ends, flip to the wrong side of your work and pull the end until your magic loop is completely closed. Thread the end onto a tapestry needle and then create a knot at the center of your ring. From here, you can safely weave in your ends. And that's it, my friends, the magic ring in a nutshell. Make sure you bookmark this video so you can come back to it if you need a refresher. Now, if you learned anything from this video, make sure you hit like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have recommendations for future crochet bites, the comment section is now open. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.